What's going on, guys? Mattio Daddy Mining here. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day. It has been a minute since I uploaded a video. For a while there, crypto kind of slowed down. Nothing really was quite happening yet, but things are different now. Ever since, like Dogecoin and Bitcoin pumped. Bitcoin recently hit 100,000, which is fan-freaking-tastic. So I kind of started taking a look at, all my rigs and everything like that to see if anything's profitable. And today I'm going to show you guys how to mine Clore. So when I'm mining a new coin, the first thing that I do actually is I go to Yeti's website, which is y3ti.uk. I'll leave a link to this down in the description below. And what he has done for us is anytime a coin comes out and they have a wallet for it, Yeti actually throws it through some software and kind of checks it out for us and makes sure that everything is okay. The wallet for Clore, though, did have some issues, some questionable things, so I will not be installing this wallet. Instead, I will actually be doing what is obviously not recommended. Everybody says, this is a no, don't do this. But I will be mining to an exchange, my Zegex exchange. There, I will be converting it to Caspa. So in Zegex or whatever wallet of your choice, or I'm sorry, not wallet, any exchange of your choice, go to your wallet section and then search for Clore, and then go to deposit, and this generates to a wallet address right here. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys how to do this on Hive OS, and then I'll show you how to do it on Windows. So first thing, copy this wallet just by clicking on it. And actually, I'm already mining this because I did this video once already, and I realized I did not have any audio. So, yay. Here's to redoing it. So the first thing you're going to do is create a wallet. So click on Wallets. Click on Add Wallet, and then you're going to go down to Clore for the coin. Address is going to be the address you just copied, and then give it a name. I'm calling mine Clore Zegex. Probably saying that wrong this entire time. And then you will click Create, except I'm not going to click Create because I already did it. So I'm going to hit Cancel. So then the next thing you're going to want to do is go to your flight sheets, and obviously I'm already running it. So I don't have to create it. But actually, before we do... Actually, no, never mind. We do the flight sheet first. That's fine. Okay, so you're going to go to... create up here. You're going to go to Clore. You're going to select the wallet that you just made. The pool. I am partial to... Let me see here. ViperNet these days. You can choose whatever pool you want. I mean, there's several of them. So I'm going to check Canada. I am not from Canada, but actually I'm in the Midwest, and actually I have my closest server for these guys is Canada, believe it or not. So then hit Apply. Miner. Okay, so I ran into some issues with BZ Miner. That would have been my go-to for this. But I kept running into issues where the miner would just keep rebooting and rebooting and rebooting. After 10, 15 minutes of running, it would just reboot. And I actually ended up changing that, and I ended up using SRB Miner Multi. And I'm running AMD cards, 6600 XTs on this. Okay, so there's that. Give it a name. Call it, Clore, whatever. And I'm going to not do that. I'm not going to save it, obviously, because I have a flight sheet going. Okay, so let's go back to the worker. Okay, and this is what we're working with right here. So let's take a peek at hashrate.no real quick. So these are the same overclocks that I have for my 6600 XTs right now. And the target was 17 mega hash at about 67 watts. Well, I'm not getting anywhere near that on any of them. I'm only getting about 12. Sometimes it kind of kicks up to 13. And I mean, the wattage is not bad. I got this one sitting at 675, the rest sitting at 700. I'm going to kind of go hit these one at a time because I know that there's a couple of GPUs in here that don't respond well to the 675, need to be the 700. So I'll test that out on my own time. But so 12 at 57. I kind of tried messing with the overclock to see if I could get it to bump up a little bit more, but I didn't get much out of it. So, I mean, if anybody else has overclocks that are getting them around the 17 range, drop them in the comments below. So, but yeah, running Clore on Hive OS. Awesome. Or not running it, but mining it on Hive OS. So, let's scoot over to my Windows device. So I'll see you guys on the other one in just a second. All right, here we are on my test device for Windows. So we're going to use BZ Miner for this. I will leave the link in the description below. And you will scroll down here to the bottom. And I'm on Windows, so I'm going to download the windows.zip file. I already have it. So let's fire it up. Okay, so once you get it extracted and get it opened up, find Clore right here, right click, edit. You're going to get this little guy, just hit more info, run anyway. So the first thing we need to do is we need to change this to the pool that we want. So let's go to viper.net. Here we are. Click on Clore. Select region. Do this TCP one right here. Hit copy the stratum part too, so we'll just back it all the way up to there. Okay, and the next thing that we need is our wallet address. You can go back to Hive OS and copy that. Okay, pasted my wallet in. So now we need to change the name of our worker. And this is my test device, so I'm just going to put test. Okay, and then we just need to save. Perfect. Now we just run it by double clicking on it. And now we wait. And I am running a 5700. So we'll let this thing bake a little bit, and we'll be back when it's actually mining and getting shares. Okay, it's been a couple hours. But yeah, this thing is going. It's getting shares. Let's double check and make sure that we're showing up on the pool. And yep, there's my second worker right there. There's my test rig, and there's the 6600 XT rig that we did on Hive OS earlier. All right, well, that about does it, guys. If this video helped you guys out, please give it a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And happy mining, everybody. Have a good night, guys. See ya.